Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 2, video number 12. In previous class, we have seen the meaning and definition of green marketing. Today, we shall begin with the importance of green marketing. Here, as we know, green marketing has become an emerging trend in marketing. Here, green marketing affects positively the health of people and the ecological environment or ecological balance, and also people are aware of pure products and pure methods of producing or using and disposing the products. It encourages, say, integrated efforts for purity in production and consumption as well. Nowadays, if you check everywhere, people want pure products, hygienic products, and the product should not harm the nature. So that's why the green marketing has gained a lot of importance or lots of increasing trend for green marketing. So let us see few points which tells us about the importance of green marketing. Number one, nowadays if you see, people are searching for good products, hygienic products, eatable products, it may be fruits, vegetables, and that too organic they are searching. Because the pesticides and chemicals what are used in the production of food grains and other things or vegetable or fruits will harm the person and the immunity will be lost. So everybody in today's scenario, if you see, they are searching for organic food or pure food. That's why everybody is thinking of green tea, organic jaggery or organic vegetables, pure oil, pure milk, and most important thing is the food habits people are changing. So these concepts have made an emerging trend in today's scenario. And also if you check, the people are turning from non-vegetarian to vegetarian because the vegetarian food habits will increase your immunity and also the purity is more in this. So that's why the vegetarian food demand is rising day by day. Then second point is reducing use of plastic and plastic based products. In green marketing, people, or as per the norms, people should not use plastic less than 30 microns. That's why in today's scenario, if you see, many people are, say, avoiding use of plastic. They are using the cloth bag or the cloth material for packing and other things, or card sheets and other things for packing, or paper bags people are using, and they are trying to avoid the plastic or use of plastic. Because it is found in a research that if you drink hot tea, milk and other things in a plastic cup, then you have a chance of getting cancer in future. That's why this trend has been changed now. Then third point is increased consumption of herbal products instead of processed products. Many people have used or started using natural products in their life instead of processed products. For example, instead of few people at night, they use green salad and other things instead of having the cooked food. So this increase in consumption of herbal products are increasing. Especially in COVID, if you see, in everybody's house they are using natural products, or say tulsi, giloy, or the kadas and all people are trying to use so that the herbal or natural products are used for their daily consumption. Then fourth point is recommending use of leaves instead of plastic pieces, jute and cloth bags instead of plastic carry bags. Just now we've discussed that people are using the paper bags, or jute bags, cloth bags instead of plastic carry bags, so that they are plastic bags are harmful for the nature. The next fifth point is increasing use of biofertilizer made of agro waste and vermicompost instead of chemical fertilizer, that is organic farming and minimum use of pesticides. Before 1990, people did not use the fertilizers or chemical fertilizers and pesticides in the farms, but they used to use the natural products or natural remedies for these problems in the agriculture. But after that, after 1990, people starting using more and more pesticides and chemical fertilizers, because of which the immunity level and the health of people went on spoiling. That's why again nowadays people have turned towards organic, and they are thinking of using organic products in their day-to-day lives. That's why today if you see, there is a huge demand for organic products. But that is a point of research where whether we are using or whether we are getting or using the product is truly organic or no, because we never go to the farm to check. We purchase from market. So but however, people have started using biofertilizer made of agro waste and vermicompost. गांडूळ खत आणि से नैसर्गिक जैविक खत वापरायला लागलेत. So here this use of biofertilizer and say organic food or organic process of producing have made people's health better and good. The next 6 point is worldwide efforts to recycle waste of consumers and industrial products. The products what we have used and thrown, there is a worldwide research going on for reusing those products or say recycling of those products, so that the products can be used further for use, recycled and used for further use. So 6 points we have seen today. Tomorrow another 6 to 7 points we shall see about the importance of green marketing. In today's class we shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.